Be honest, when you see words like perro or ferrocarril, can you pronounce them confidently or do you instead say perro or ferrocarril? Many Spanish learners struggle to roll their R's, and guess what? Natives do too, until we use this one trick, which I'll be showing you in this video. And because of this trick, we can all roll our R's, so it will work for you too. If you've been trying to roll your R's for weeks or even years with no success, that's about to change. In just a few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to do it. No gimmicks, just results. Believe it or not, this pencil is the key to rolling your R's. Confused? Stick around and I'll show you. So, to roll your R's, necesitas un lápiz, yes, a pencil, and you'll see why, and some key exercises. Don't worry, I'm going to share the best exercises with you. Before we get to the trick, my totally imaginary legal department asked me to warn you that we're about to practice rolling R's with a pencil in our mouths. Sí, es raro, but trust the process. Por favor, do not destroy your beautiful teeth because I'm definitely not paying dental bills or replacing your pencil if it breaks. So be gentle and let's get rolling. Muy bien, so here's how it works. You are going to take your pencil and you are going to place it between your teeth, just like this. Esto te ayuda. This is going to help you to make your facial muscles stronger. Con el lápiz entre tus dientes, you are going to place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, just behind your teeth. You know you're in the right position if you can feel the back of the pencil with your tongue. Let me show you. Okay, I can feel it over there. So that's the right position. So with this position, we're going to do a couple of exercises y vamos a exagerar el sonido R. Let me show you. Hi! By the way, I know, I'm a native speaker, guilty, and you're going to hear me make the rolled R sound with the pencil in my mouth. However, as you're learning, it's completely natural if the sound you make sounds like this is totally normal, and before you know it, you'll start to hear your R's roll. Okay, that's all. Back to the video. So after this warm-up, we're going to go to exercise number 1. Why don't you try to do it with me? Are you ready? Ra, 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 re, 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 ro, 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 ro. By the way, this is a little bit tiring even for me. This is because the pencil is forcing our muscles to be in the place that they are supposed to be. So now we're going to go al ejercicio número 2 and we're going to start saying some words. Let me put this pencil back into position. Rata, ratón, rosa, rama, río, reloj, robot, perro, perro, ferrocarril. So if my R's feel a little bit weak, that means that I need to press the tip of my tongue against the roof of my mouth a little bit harder. So once you get enough practice from exercise 2, we're going to go to exercise 3 and we're going to try to say some sentences con el sonido R. Why don't you try this with me? El perro corre rápido. El carro rojo rueda por la carretera. R con R cigarro, R con R barril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar el ferrocarril. Oh, that was a workout. So, because this sound is new to you and because you're working different facial muscles, I encourage you a practicar al menos 5 minutos al día so you can finally roll your R's. Not everything can be carro, perro, ferrocarril on repeat. No. You have to remember que la R tiene dos sonidos distintos. Un sonido suave, which I call butter R, y un sonido fuerte, rrr, like a car engine. This is the sound that you just learned how to pronounce. Observa la diferencia. Pero, perro, para, parra, caro, carro. La pronunciación de la R is going to change depending on its placement and the letters that surround it. Let's go check when you're allowed to use la R fuerte y la R suave just to make sure that you're not overpronouncing anything. We're going to start by checking the soft R because this is our foundation for rolling R's. La R suave suena muy similar a palabras como water, ladder, butter. This is why I call it butter R. En español, you can find butter R en dos lugares. Número 1, in the middle of words. Escucha la similitud con inglés. Water, pera. Mariposa, sartén, adorar. The second place where we are going to use soft R es al final de las palabras. Por ejemplo, actor, doctor, calor, amor. So, in summary, soft R has a single vibration. Simple, right? Here comes the challenge. The sound that trips up most Spanish learners, la R fuerte. La R fuerte has multiple vibrations. That's why we know it as rolling our R's. La letra R fuerte aparece en tres lugares diferentes. Número 1, at the beginning of words. Ruido, reloj, rojo, regresar. You can also find it after N, S, and L. For example, sonreír alrededor. And finally, you can find la R fuerte on Spanish learners' favorite words. Las palabras que escribimos con doble R. Perro, gorro, tierra. Muy bien, I just showed you a few key exercises. Pero si realmente quieres, if you really want to roll your R's, I've put together a free PDF with even more practice drills to help you get there. Puedes encontrar este PDF en la descripción so you can start practicing today. Let me know how it goes and I hope I see you again in another Spanish lesson. Adiós!